How to remove Eufy Doorbell camera from mount. Before anything else, ensure your safety and the safety of your device. So start by disabling any electrical connections to avoid surprises. For the battery-powered Eufy Doorbell, this simply means ensuring the device is not actively in use or being accessed through the app. And then go ahead and locate the release mechanism. Finding the release mechanism was a bit tricky. On a battery-powered Eufy doorbell, it is located at the bottom of the device. It is a small tab or button that when pressed or slid, releases the doorbell from the mounting bracket. Third is to gently remove the doorbell from mount. With the release mechanism engaged, you need to hold the doorbell in one hand and gently but firmly pull it away from the mount with the other. It's important to support the device as you remove it to prevent it from falling. And then inspect and maintain. Once removed, go ahead and inspect the doorbell and the mount for any wear or damage. This is a good time to clean any debris or dust that might have accumulated. And that is how you can basically remove your Eufy doorbell camera.